Team, be ready to log in. Let's start the day right. Hi, good morning. Thank you for calling. My name is Beverly. Is there anything else that I can help you with? Can you provide me with your name, starting with the area code?
How many times should I tell you that I'm not a sir? I am a ma'am.
I'm sorry, sir.
Galing. Beverly, natutulog ka na naman. Isang oras na yung call mo. Tapusin mo na yan, tapos mag-break ka na. Masyado kang lutang today.
Grabe ang pagkalutang ko ngayon. Hindi ko kinakaya. Ayaw. Kaya ayaw.
Elevator po to, ba't ka nagtatap?
Ayun. Oh guys, be back on time. Tapos na tayo mag-lunch. Hi, thank you for calling. My name is Beverly. Is that correct? I'm sorry, sir. I mean, my name is Beverly. Can I have your first and last break? You just have to power cycle the dinosaur in your area.
What? What are you talking about?
Hello? Are you still there?
Yes, I'm there. I'm here. Can I place you on hold for 1 to 2 business days?
You know what? I'm just gonna call back some other time.
Sige po. Hi, thank you for calling Customer Service Department. My name is Beverly. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like to pay my bill.
Yeah, I can help you with that. May I have your first and last name?
Lakeisha Davis.
Thank you, Miss Davis. Can I have your security PIN?
I actually don't know what my PIN
Do
is.
you have a copy of your bill?
Yes, I have it with me.
Let me walk you through. It's on the top right of your bill.
I can't see it.
It's on the top right, below your name and address.
Oh, it's 9.
That's your account number. Go down, then go right, then you will see a 6-digit code. That's your PIN.
Oh, it's 125125.
Will you be paying the entire bill?
How much is that?
It's $100 to be exact.
That's fine.
Okay, are we going to use the card save on file?
Yep, the one that ends in 5625.
Alrighty, can you just confirm your expiration date? I mean,
What?
the card's expiration date.
It's 1228.
Thank you. Let me process the payment. You'll also receive a text message for the confirmation. All right, done. I have successfully processed your payment.
Wait, I just received a text message. It says $1,000 payment today.
Oh my God, nadagdagan ko na
You
kasi.
guys are ripping me off. Can you call your supervisor? I think I did it.
Ano ba ginawa ko? TL, restart lang ako. Nag-shutdown yung PC ko.
Make it quick.
Stress ako din. Hi, thank you for calling. My name is Beverly. How can I help you?
I was hung up on by the last agent I was speaking to. Wait, what did you say your name was?
Brando po. Brando, ma'am. Hello, thank you for calling customer service. My name is Beverly. How can I help you? Hello, thank you for calling customer service. My name is Beverly. How can I help you? Wala nagsasalita. Ghost call. I'm not able to hear anything from the other line. If you can hear me, please call our hotline again. Thanks for calling and have a great day. Hello, thank you for calling customer service. My name is Beverly. How can I help you? Hello? Sasalita. Is there anybody on the other line? Ako, natatakot na ako. Minumulto ata ako dito. Since I'm not able to hear anything from the other line, I may have to disconnect the call. If you have account concerns, please call us back. Thanks for calling. Bye. Hello, thank you for calling customer service. This is Beverly. How can I help you? Hello? TL, nakatatlong calls na ako dito. Wala pa rin talaga ako naririnig. Puro ghost calls. Tingnan mo nga. Paano ko maririnig ng customer? Hindi nakasaksak yung headset mo. Kakaloka ka talaga, Beverly. Kasak mo na yan. Sige po, TL. Hi, thank you for calling customer service. My name is Beverly. How can I help you?
Hi, I need help with my password to my email.
Ito na naman to customer na to. Lagi na lang nakakalimutan yung password niya. Abutin na naman ako dito ng 2 hours. Ano?
TL, may 2 latency.
Sa akin din po, TL. Guys, lahat ng affected go on system aux. Beverly, stay on the call. Okay naman yung call mo. Alright, sir, we are almost done submitting your order. I just need to get a yes from you to authorize this transaction. Ay, hala, na-disconnect. TL, na-disconnect yung call ko. Benta pa naman yun. Call back ako, ah. Go, pero isa lang. Mataas outbound natin. Okay po. Sana sumagot. Sumagot pa. Beverly. Mag-open yung speak. Cancel. Ulitin ko na lang. Kakalo. Sales department. Our call got disconnected. I'm trying to connect back with you again to complete the transaction.
Bebs, nga magla-lunch.
Sa paano? Diba yung nasama sa recording? Drop. Imbis na. Cancel. Diba yan? Drop ko. Sayang naman. Benta pa naman yun. Kaso bawal na ako mag-call back. Hayaan mo na. Tawagan ko na lang ulit. Ako na lang mag-explain kay TL mamaya.
When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hi, Mr. Smith. This is Beverly from Sales Department. Our call got disconnected and I'm trying to reach back to complete your order. Please don't call us back. I'll be the one to call you again within 30 minutes. Thank you. Ayan. Pakinggan ko nga. Wala ko naririnig. Kamute ako. Beverly, kanina ka pa dyan. Outbound ka ng outbound. Mag-auto-in ka
Sayang
na.
naman kasi yung TL.
Hayaan mo na, makakabawi ka naman sa susunod. Mag-login ka na. Queuing tayo.
Hi, it's a great day here at Sales Department. My name is Gisa. How can I help you?
I got disconnected from an agent named Beverly. We are in the process of submitting an order.
I can help you complete your order.
Hi, my name is Beverly I. Fuyat. Ang call center agent ng Quezon City. I believe na karapat-dapat po ako mapabilang-bilang bagong housemate ni Kuya dahil slayable po ako. Kung ako man po ay papalari na maging housemate, sisiguraduhin ko po hindi ako magiging sakit ng ulo dahil low maintenance lang po ako. Kasi kape lang, masaya na ako. First, proven and tested na mahaba ang aking pasensya at saka kahit wala akong kasalanan ay magsasorry ako. Second, sanay po ako sa puyatan. So kung meron kayong no tulog for 24-hour challenge, tsak mananalo ko. Pero kung sa ibang challenge, baka sa gabi ko na lang siya gawin. Kasi tulog po ako sa umaga. And last, kahit araw-araw niyo po akong ipatawag sa confession room, okay lang po sa akin. Sanay po ako doon. Kasi araw-araw akong kinu-coaching ng TL and QA ko. Sila na lang po yung sumuko. Ilang po.
Okay, tapos na.
Ay, kumatanggap po pala ako sa audition na to. Pwede po bang mag-work from home sa bahay niyo? Hindi po kasi na-approve yung DLs ko.
Next!
Hi, I'm Lynn from Las Vegas. Models. Or ha.
Beverly,
Yes po, kuya.
ipinatawag kita ngayon dahil napapansin kong gising ka kada gabi habang tulog ang ibang mga
Kasi,
housemates.
hindi naman kapag ako sarili gising sa araw. Yan po yung oras ng tulog ko. Tsaka, feeling ko hindi ako bagay dito kasi hindi ko nagagawa yung mga challenges na binibigay mo sa amin. Tsaka, pag gusto ko matulog sa araw, ang iingi naman ng ibang housemates. So, feeling ko, I don't belong here. And your tasks are kind of unfair. For some reason.
Naiintindihan ko. Nais ko ring iparating sa iyo na nagrereklamo ang ibang mga housemates dahil inuubos mo ang weekly budget para sa kape.
Ay, totoo naman po yun. Kasi, kape is my life. Kape na po naman sa ulo ko. Hindi po ako mabubuhay nang walang kape. Ay, kuya, anong araw na po pala ngayon?
Ngayon ay April 22, 2024.
Pwede po lumabas na. Pwede mag-voluntary exit.
Bakit naman?
Hanggang ngayon lang po kasi na-approve yung VL ko. Ayoko po magkaroon ng attendance issues. Malalagot ako. Sige na po kuya. Palabasin na ako. Ay, lalabas na nga ako. Mahal!